How to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can set up the Google Authenticator on Bybit. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. The first thing is you need to download two applications into your device. One of them is Bybit and another is the Google Authenticator. After that, you're signing using your Google account. After you have done so, what you're going to do is simply head over to the Bybit application and log into your account, and you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. Otherwise, when you open the application first, it automatically asks you to add the Google Authenticator for some security reasons and add the verification, and you just need to go on with the verification process. Otherwise, when you log in, you just need to head over to your profile at the top, and here when you tap on your profile, you just need to tap on this settings icon. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the option called Otherwise, when you head over to the settings, you'll be able to see security option. Just head over to the security option, and here you can see Google two-factor authentication with the toggle option. You just need to turn on this option. After that, go on with the process of adding the Google Authenticator. You just need to go on with the process. From here, you will be able to receive a 16-digit code, which you need to copy and get over to the Google Authenticator app. After that, you'll be able to receive a 6-digit code, which you'll be using from now onwards in order to log in into the Bybit application. So therefore, just follow that step and you should be able to add that Google Authenticator into the Bybit application very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.